On Saturday we're going to attempt to move this without taking it down, but it will only go the long way, about 400 metres. So if it doesn't work, I'll take it down and build it again. Plenty of room, perfect for what I have in mind. This is the space it will occupy once I've moved it, and it's all part of my master plan for my structures. All of this is bits and pieces that have come out of the polytunnel, and also the staging, glass and door for the greenhouse I rescued a few weeks ago. This greenhouse will be used for bringing on seedlings. Once I've planted them in the tunnel, they can come into here in their trays, and once they're big enough, they're moved to another greenhouse. This one here will also fill the same function, but both of them are full of bits of detritus at the moment. This one is full of a load of reclaimed timber, which I will be using during the autumn. This greenhouse will be fitted out, and it's where I will grow my cucumbers. At the moment it's just an empty glazed frame, but in the autumn I will be making it into something I hope will work for my cucumbers. This greenhouse is my latest addition. You saw me recover it a few weeks ago, but in the autumn I intend to level the base, glaze it, put in the shelving and staging, and it will become my young plant nursery, the stage before they go out. This was my old Brassica greenhouse, but it's got a new home, so that will be going shortly. This is probably the most important greenhouse. It's where Shadow lives and has her food. So a lot of people say it's a waste of space, but I've got enough space, so Shadow's welcome to it. And finally, the last one, well, for the moment anyway. This is where traditionally I used to spend the wet, cold days having a cup of tea, sitting down, going through tea catalogues. But the sun has destroyed the fabric on the chair, and it's just a mess. But once it's cleared out, this will become my dedicated greenhouse for peppers and chillies. After spending this year getting rid of all the weeds, I'm going to spend the autumn in sorting out the infrastructure. You've just seen everything that's on the plot, bar the polytunnel at the far end, or should I say netted tunnel at the far end. But I just want to make my life simpler, easier. And I enjoy growing the seedlings, and I'm sure if I grow excess, other people will be more than happy to take them off my hands. But I'm not going to do it all at once. I'm going to tackle one greenhouse or a pair of greenhouses, if that suits better, at a time. I've got all the rest of this year to get them sorted out, so I'd rather do it slowly and properly rather than rush it and have to do it again.